Well, earlier in the program, we heard from Common Ground volunteer Joan Ruskamp about the price of beef, and that interview will be on our Facebook page a little bit later. And now Joan is back with a recipe to share, and Taryn is standing by now with more.
Thank you, John. Yes, we have a recipe to share today. We always love it when our Common Ground volunteers come into the studio because we actually get to try what you make.
Right.
And usually a really good recipe. And this
Yep.
is one of your favorites, right?
Yep, and it's one of Harper's favorites, and they often bring it when we have family gatherings. And so we thought, what would be a fun summer recipe to prepare for you? So we have deviled strawberries.
Ooh, is this one of your favorites, Harper?
Yeah.
Okay, and this is your granddaughter.
This is my granddaughter Harper.
How
Yep.
old are you?
I'm 10 years old.
Okay, what grade will you be going into?
I'm going into 5th grade.
And when does school start?
Next week.
Next
on
week?
Wednesday.
Wow.
I know.
Where do you go to school?
Eaton Elementary.
At UTAN? Okay, well, good to have you here today. So Joan, how do we begin?
All right, well, first of all, you're going to gather ingredients. And so you're going to need cream cheese, sour cream, lemon juice, vanilla, sugar, and heavy whipping cream.
Okay.
And so what we've already done is, and then strawberries, of course. I can't forget that. You mix the cream cheese, sugar, and those other small ingredients together separately, the heavy whipping cream, and then you're going to fold those together. So you'll just mix those two together when you're ready to pipe them. This is what it looks like when it's together. We've already put some in a little piping bag because that's Harper's favorite job is to pipe the strawberries. You'll wash the strawberries. You're just going to cut off the ends and then cut them in half. And then if you want them to lay a little flatter, you can just take a little slice off the back, and they tend to sit a little bit better. It's up to you if you want to do that or not. We've done it both ways, and we like the strawberries. So, and then Harper's going to show us how she pipes those on there. And then for the added little topping, we have graham cracker crumbs, and those graham cracker crumbs, you can be fine or you can be chunky. You can use it as you like. Harper loves to decorate cakes too, so you can tell she's kind of used to doing that piping.
That's perfect. And then you sprinkle this on top?
Yep. Go ahead, Harper, you can do it.
Okay, you can do it, honey. Go ahead.
Oh, thank you.
And so this, I mean, if you're gonna, I was just talking about beef, so if you're serving burgers, this is a great side. I would recommend if there's kids around, do not put these out before you put the rest of the food out.
They'll eat this first.
In fact, at home, it's been like, don't even put it out until they're done eating their other food. Otherwise, this is all they eat.
Do you like deviled eggs too, you guys?
No.
No?
I do.
Only deviled strawberries, right?
Yeah.
Okay, the recipe is there on your screen. We will also have it on our Facebook page a little bit later today. You need to give this a try. Harper, do you want one?
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah. She was asking if she'd get to eat one.
Really good. I like the homemade whipped cream too.
Yeah, it's really good. Yeah, it's a nice, and it's very fast and easy to make, and you can get your kids involved.
Yeah, really refreshing. All right. Thank you both. Did a
You're
great
welcome.
job today. Good helper.
Thank you.
All right, back to you, John.